What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teach you Chinese online. Taiwan is famous for its night markets, places where lots of vendors get together in the evening to sell snacks, souvenirs, and even clothes. People young and old, rich and poor, Taiwanese and foreign flock to night markets to eat good food, play carnival games, and relax after a hard day's work. Let's go over a few Chinese sentences you might need to make the most of your night market experience.
这在排什么？这在排什么？这在排什么？
这在排什么啊？
这家牛排很好吃，
好想吃哦，可是感觉要排很久。
没关系啊，先让你排，先让你排，先让你排。
谢谢，谢谢。
我等一下过来拿。我等一下过来拿。我等一下过来拿。
老板，这怎么卖？
菜单在这边。
那我要2份臭豆腐，加辣加泡菜。
没问题，可是人有点多，大概要等30分钟。
好，那我等下过来拿。
垃圾要丢哪？垃圾要丢哪？垃圾要丢哪？
哎，垃圾要丢哪里？
随便丢啊，换丢1层包包啊。
好啊。
你有什么毛病？垃圾桶在那边，丢垃圾桶。
人呢？人呢？人呢？
这女人呢？
女神人呢？
人呢？
这怎么玩？这怎么玩？这怎么玩？
老板，这怎么玩
1局40，3局100。
也有3局。
好。
那怎么都投不到？
多练习啊，要不然我赚什么呢？
不知道要吃什么，先逛一下。不知道要吃什么，先逛一下。不知道要吃什么，先逛一下。
哎，我们要吃什么？
不知道要吃什么哎，先逛一下。
好啊。哎，都逛了3圈哎，这不知道吃什么？
不知道哎，再逛一下好了。
啊，可是收餐哎。
If you have ever wondered where night markets come from, their origins can be traced all the way back to the Tang Dynasty. During the later period of the dynasty, night markets began to appear in the imperial capital of Chang'an before they gradually spread to all the big cities. After hundreds of years, we should all feel grateful that this culture hasn't faded away and can still bring so many people so much joy. So why not come over and explore it by yourself? You're gonna love it.
这在排什么？这在排什么？这在排什么？
哎，女神人呢？
菜单在这边。
我要2份臭豆腐。
要加辣加泡菜吗？要讲啊。